Great Union Day is a national holiday in Romania, celebrated on 1 December, marking the unification of Transylvania, Bessarabia, and Bukovina with the Romanian Kingdom in 1918. This holiday was declared after the Romanian Revolution and commemorates the assembly of the delegates of ethnic Romanians held in Alba Iulia, which declared the Union of Transylvania with Romania. Prior to 1948, until the abolition of the monarchy, the national holiday was on 10 May, which had a double meaning. It was the day on which King Carol I set foot on Romanian soil and the day on which the prince ratified the Declaration of Independence in 1877. From 1948, during the period of communist administration, the national holiday was on 23 August, Liberation from Fascist Occupation Day, to mark the 1944 overthrow of the pro-fascist government of Marshal Ion Antonescu, with parades held on Charles de Gaulle Square. On December 1, 1918, the National Assembly of Romanians of Transylvania and Hungary, consisting of 1,228 elected representatives of the Romanians in Transylvania, Banat, Craiova, and Maromir convened in Alba Iulia and decreed the unification of those Romanians and of all the territories inhabited by them with Romania. The resolution voted by the National Assembly stipulated also the fundamental principles for the foundation of the new Romanian state. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.